How to log in Netflix on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Netflix account from your phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, whether you're on Android or whether you are on iPhone, it is very easy to log into your Netflix account. First, make sure you have downloaded the Netflix application, because obviously you're going to watch Netflix from the app and not from the web browser if you're on mobile. So you can download the Netflix application from your respective app store. If you're on Android, you can download from Google Play Store, and if you're on iOS, you could download from your Apple App Store. And once you've done so, just go ahead and launch Netflix. And as soon as you launch Netflix, you will see this kind of interface. Now, if you're opening for the first time, it may take a few minutes. It will show you one of the accounts that you can choose from if you've saved at the bottom, but I'll skip that and I'll show you how you can log in. So you can see all of the subscriptions plan and so on. If you have not yet created an account, you can go to get started button over here. But if you've already created an account, I assume you have to tap on the sign in button on the top right corner. And here you can see email and password. So you have to simply enter the email of your Netflix account as well as the password and sign in. If you forgot your password, you can also go to need help button, or if you don't have an account, then you could go to sign up now. But for now, I'll just go ahead and enter my email address and my password. So once you have entered your email address or your phone number, if you don't remember email address, you can also enter phone number and your password. All you have to do is, in order to log into your Netflix account, just tap on the sign in button. Now, if you also have two-factor authentication or anything as such turned on, then you have to go ahead and verify that. But if not, then you can obviously see that we have successfully logged into our account. Now select the profile on which you want to log in. Now you can go ahead and browse Netflix, watch some shows, fancy little stuff, whatever you'd like on the Netflix app. And that's all it takes to log into your Netflix account on your phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.